Hi guys, welcome to Cosmic Essence Education. My name is Maitre, and in this video we are looking at the values of the trigonometric ratios for the angles 22.5 degree. That means we are finding the value of sine 22.5 degree, cos 22.5 degree, tan 22.5 degree. That is same as the values of cos 67.5 degree, sine 67.5 degree and cot 67.5 degree. So let's get into it. So guys, let's start with sine 22.5 degree. What is the value of this? To find the value of this, we take a look at the formula cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. You should be able to recall this from the double angle formulas that we studied in another video. Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Now why are we using this and why? How do we get the idea for this? We know that 22.5 degree into 2 will be 45 degrees, and we know the value of trigonometric ratios at 45 degrees. That's why we will be using this formula. That means cos, if I take theta as equal to 22.5 degrees, we can get the value of sine 22.5 degree from this formula. So the LHS becomes cos of 45 degree and the RHS is 1 minus 2 sine square 22.5 degree. Now interchange and we will get sine square 22.5 degrees is equal to 1 minus cos 45 upon 2, which is equal to, as cos 45 is 1 upon root 2, this is 1 minus 1 upon root 2 upon 2, which is actually equal to root 2 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. Now we have a square sign here, square of this. So if I take the square root of both sides, I should put a plus minus sign, correct? But since 22.5 degree is in the first quadrant, it is an acute angle, the value of sine 22.5 will be positive. That's why if I take the square root, I will eliminate the negative value and I will only take the positive value. That means on taking square root, I should have got plus minus root of root 2 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. That means there is a positive and a negative value. So I will remove the negative value and only take the positive value as the value of sine 22.5 degree. We also know that sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. So this is the value of cos 67.5 degree as well. So root of root 2 minus 1 upon 2 root 2 is the value of sine 22.5 degree. This value can be further simplified by rationalizing the denominator. We can multiply and divide the numerator inside the square root by root 2 to get the value as root of 2 minus root 2 upon 2 as the value of sine 22.5 degree. So let's look at the next trigonometric ratio, that is cos of 22.5 degrees. To get the formula, get the value of this, we look at the formula cos of 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now we take theta as equal to 22.5 degrees. Also on simplification, we get that cos square theta is equal to cos 2 theta plus 1 upon 2. That means cos square 22.5 degrees is equal to cos of 45 plus 1 upon 2, which is equal to 1 upon root 2 plus 1 upon 2. So this is 1 plus root 2 upon 2 root 2. We can rationalize the denominator by multiplying by root 2 in the numerator and denominator to get root 2 plus 2 upon 4. Correct? Now, cos square 22.5 degrees root 2 plus 2 upon 4. If I take the square root, I will get cos of 22.5 degree is equal to plus minus root of root 2 plus 2 upon 4. But since root 22.5 degree is an acute angle and lies in the first quadrant, cos of that angle will be positive. So we remove the plus sign and we only take this as equal to positive root of root 2 plus 2 upon 2 as the value of cos 22.5 degrees. This is also equal to the value of sine 67.5 degrees. So guys, let's look at the value of tan 22.5 degrees. So the formula that we'll be using to get the value here is tan square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 1 plus cos 2 theta. We studied these angles in these formulas in the double angle formula video. So now tan square 22.5 degree is equal to 1 minus cos 45 degree upon 1 plus cos 45 degree, which is equal to 1 minus 1 upon root 2 upon 1 plus 1 upon root 2. Taking the LCM and cancelling root 2 in the denominators, this is equal to root 2 minus 1 upon root 2 plus 1. We rationalize this by multiplying by root 2 minus 1 in the numerator and denominator. So the denominator, which is a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square, becomes 2 minus 1, which is 1. So the denominator is 1 and the numerator is root 2 minus 1 whole square, which is equal to, now if I take the square root sign, I will put a plus minus sign, but since 22.5 degrees in the first quadrant it is an acute angle, we will take only the positive value, and after taking square root, 22.5 degree is equal to root of root 2 minus 1 whole square, which is equal to root 2 minus 1, which is also the value of cot 67.5 degree. So guys, we looked at the values of sine 22.5 degrees, cos 22.5 degree and tan 22.5 degrees in this video. I hope the derivation is clear to you. If you have any questions or doubts, you can always message me on the number given in the description. And if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and we'll be bringing more great videos like this. Thank you.